Hey, it's your boy, the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. So today we're back with two smokers, HBAR and XDC. Now I told you in previous videos exactly what HBAR we're going to do before they do it. But we're going to start with HBAR. So let's run that tape.
Daily price action and checking it out. And of course, when it dropped down here, I bought some. Okay, just like I said in my last video, I had a notification that set up that let me know that it came into this area. And of course, I loaded the clip and I fired off. Anytime we have red days like this where we have a nice move down on any of these cryptocurrencies, I always buy. Even if it would have broken below, I would have bought even more. So as of right now, I'm looking for the price action to do something like so, either straight out or it's going to do something like this. Another move down. And then a move out.
So now, as you can see, we came up off the lows and we're starting to break up higher and clear these previous highs. Now, on the monthly, I've said previously that HBAR is going to go to $3. Again, if you're new here, I use the Fibonacci to figure out price targets when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Now, as you can see right here, the Fibonacci is reversed from its natural state, okay? I reverse it, and I always use the 141 as the very first price target, which is $3. And just to confirm that, we look at the previous bull run, right? So if we look at the size of the previous bull run and we take this and we move it to the base. So as you can see, confirming the size of the last bull run and measuring it to the current bullish triangle breakout, we go from the base of that breakout and we measure up, and as you can see, $3 is the very first price target. Now, the 161 is in play, but I found that the 141 is a lot more consistent than the 161. And if it goes past the 141, by all means, that's cool. You know, we're going to lock in profit and we're going to continue to do what we do as Crypto Goon. And one of the reasons why we will have the same size bull run or an even larger bull run is because there is more money pouring into the crypto market. In addition to that, the Bitcoin dominance or Bitcoin itself is losing dominance. So if we go over to the Bitcoin dominance chart, again, we are in a bearish triangle pattern, okay? And we are starting to move down as far as Bitcoin losing dominance over the entire cryptocurrency market. Now, previously, I spoke about XDC and what it was going to do before it did it. So let's run that tape.
My favorite are the 141 and the 161, okay? So as you can see, the 141, which is always first stop, is this wick right here. Like I said in previous videos, people can challenge me on it. I really don't care. Wicks get filled in these markets. That's how this game goes. If you don't like it, fuck you. But 141 is always first stop. Second stop is 161. So currently, we're at around 7 cents, right? So personally, I would look for this to come down just a tiny bit more before I hop in and ride it to 17 cents.
Okay, so as you can see, we broke the triangle pattern and now we're headed for the 141. We're actually at 15 cents. And at the time that I did that video, we were around 7 cents or so, maybe a little bit higher, but we are approaching the 141. Again, the 141 is law, especially in the cryptocurrency market. It is the most consistent price target. And again, the 161, you know, I would say it's, you know, 50, 60, 70% accurate or so. Sometimes it does go that far. But again, you know, if it's a cryptocurrency that you are just trading because of a pattern, of course, lock in your profits. But if you at all believe in the actual technology behind it, then of course, hold on to it and make decisions accordingly once you reach the price targets that you're interested in taking profit in. Now, before we get up out of here, let's hop into those crypto bubbles. You know the vibes. And on the month, we aren't looking as sexy, but as you can see, XDC is up 87.3%. HBAR is up 26.8%. So let's check out HBAR. And on the hour, we're up 1.8%. On the day, we're up 18%. And on the week, we are up 35.4%. On the month, 26.8%. And on the year, 397%. You cannot knock those gains. Okay. Now, let's look at XDC. XDC, we're up 2.3% on the hour, 18.9% on the day, and 61.3% on the week, 87.3% on the month, and 221% on the year. Again, like I said previously, not every altcoin will go crazy during this altcoin season. However, the ones that are going to go crazy are the ones that are making the correct patterns. I invite you to check out triangle patterns. I invite you to check out channels, bullish flags, bearish flags, and so that you can see which ones are going to actually go crazy. Not all of them will, unfortunately, okay? And I'll do another video talking about the ones that will go into a bearish market because their bull run has been the previous 2, 3, 4 years. Make sure you all learn about the patterns. Make sure you all learn about the Fibonacci. And again, I appreciate you all tapping in. Shout out to all my crypto goons. And you know the vibes. Crypto goon out.